Hello everybody, I'm Ron Plains and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XR. So today I've got the white 256GB version, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So first thing in the box is the usual paperwork and stickers. Then we have the actual phone itself, and it's turned itself on there. It looks very, very nice with the glass back. Oh. There we are. We have the usual power brick, the lightning headphones, and the usual lightning cord. And that's basically everything in the box. So let's get the plastic off the screen and listen to that sound. Very nice. So anyway, that's everything unboxed. Hopefully you enjoyed this very short video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'm Lauren Plains. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.